Welcome to channel's Coins Worth Money. This video is about 7 Jefferson nickels worth money. 1938 D full steps. For the first year issue of this coin, it is very difficult to find a full step version in near mint condition. This very fine example of 1938 Jefferson nickel full steps was sold for $33,600. 1949 D over S full steps. This overstepping makes the D over S nickel rare, and it is especially rare in the full step version and near mint condition. Well, third valuable coin is 1964 special mint full steps. Only about 20 to 50 of the 1964 SMS nickels exist, and they are especially valuable in the excellent condition. One was sold for $32,900 USD. 1942 D over horizontal D. It is estimated that only about 10 coins exist in the perfect condition with this minting error, making this one of the rarest Jefferson nickel you can find. One was sold for $32,200. 1953 S full steps. A rare example to find with full steps. The 1953 issue from the San Francisco Mint can be very valuable. There are only 24 known examples with the full step. One was sold for $24,000 United States dollar. 1939 reverse of the 1940, more than 120 million of this reverse were minted, and about 40,000 still survive. If the full step show, this coin could be worth thousands. One was sold for $23,500. 1940 reverse of the 1938. You can identify these by looking carefully at the steps of Monticello. If the sides of the steps are wavy and less distinct, you may have this subtle and valuable minting error. One was sold for $28,750. Okay, thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and keep visiting and watching the videos.